I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Attorney Richard Shuster. Today's foreclosure defense topic is erroneous legal descriptions in foreclosure cases. We recently settled a foreclosure case where the homeowner came to us and he was with a different lawyer and he was about to reinstate his mortgage and pay every penny of every missed payment that he had. He was more than $100,000 underwater. But before he signed off on what looked like a really bad settlement, he came here for a second opinion at the suggestion of a friend of his, one of our existing clients. When we saw that he had an erroneous legal description in his mortgage, we told him to scuttle that deal, to walk away and fight his case. Well, a year and a half later, we've now settled his case, and that homeowner will be receiving a principal reduction of more than $100,000, all because of an erroneous legal description in his mortgage. If your mortgage has an erroneous legal description, then it won't show up the mortgage in a proper title search, and that makes that mortgage vulnerable. When a bank wants to foreclose on a mortgage that has an erroneous legal description, they have to bring a separate count to reform the legal description in your mortgage. This can be very difficult for the bank because when bringing a claim to reform a mortgage, they have to join the original parties. And the original parties to your mortgage, the original lender, the original title company, they may be gone. In the case that we settled, because of the erroneous legal description in the mortgage, we were able to get the title insurance company who handled the original closing to make a payment. Their title insurance essentially will be paying for most of our clients' $100,000 plus principal reduction. If your mortgage has an erroneous legal description and the foreclosure case against you has a count to reform your mortgage, it's essential that you talk to an attorney who's handled foreclosure cases with erroneous legal descriptions. It's also important in any foreclosure case to check that the legal description in the mortgage matches the actual legal description of your property. People who don't check this may miss a huge hole in their client's case. If you have questions about the legal description of your property and the legal description in your mortgage, feel free to drop us an email or check out our blog for more information on this topic. Thanks for listening. I'm Richard Shuster. Called force-placed insurance. And when the bank goes to buy property insurance, they may not buy it from the cheapest insurance broker.